Welcome, friends. My name is Jackson. I am attached with personal tutors, and today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of history, the French Revolution. The French Revolution is one of the very famous topic discussed in the history of ninth standard, and it is a part of syllabus as well. And that has given so many people in the history inspiration to go ahead and protest and get independence from the imperial power or monarchy. So the day 14 July 1789, the scenario was seen in the Paris, where so many people of France, they all collected for the purpose of protesting. It's a kind of protest against the rising price of the bread in the France. These all people all together, they moved, and the whole troop went towards the important place, that is the fort of Bastille, where the prisoners were kept. They freed all of them, and these whole mob of some around 7,000 men and women all gathered, and they start saying about freedom from this monarchy, who are not concerned about the common people, especially those who are peasants, those who are labor, those who are working. They were not concerned, and for that they revolted, and they gave up their method of rebellion. They turned into rebellion, and they went into this way, and they started showing their rebel against the monarchy. This is how the scenario started. People gathered around, then they started moving towards the Bastille, where the prisoners were kept. They removed them, they freed them, and this was the hatred which they had for the monarchy, the king, the queens of France. Why this thing happened? The question comes, was it only the bread? Why? See, many of the people think of what actually is the reason behind it, and that is why they try to means what instigate, what was is it possible when the subjects becomes very much depressed or too much tortured, then this thing happened. So while we go through this chapter, we will come to know what are the things that lead to this situation. Why the people have to go in such a large mob, have to go against the king and the queens. Why the people were so depressed? Because in kingdom, in monarchy, the superior power is king and queen, but they are nobles. There are so many people, other peoples are also there. The traders are there, the business peoples are there, the agriculturists are there, the other workers are there. Was everyone unhappy in France? Was everyone wanted to be free from the monarchy? So who were these people? There are 7,000, see, there are 7,000 men and women who went in against the monarchy or the king or the queen. But do they really need to go for it? So let's understand this, how the things happen. Now here we have a picture which is showing the scenario where these things happen. This is the Basile, and was the scenario where people were with arms against monarchy. So we will understand this as we come to know about this. So in our next class or in our next video, we will understand this in detail. What are the reasons, how it happened, and why so many people of France with guns, ammunition in their hands went to this fort of Basile. So friends, why so many people here which you see are at this fort with arms against the monarchy? Why they need to come up? This we will understand as we go through the chapter. Was there only the people who were suffering? Was there nobles also? Or was there some other people as well? So, my friends, we will see the structure of the social structure of the France. Now, you see, the France society was divided into 3 states. Now, these 3 states was one of the reason why the France people were against the monarchy system. The first state was the state of clergy. These are the people who are involved in religion, like the church, the priesthood. These are the clergy people. They have a privilege that they need not to pay any taxes. Whereas the people of the France were supposed to pay tribute to them. So they were very much privileged class. Second was the nobility. Second state was nobility. Nobility state was basically the state which are having the people related to the king, the court people, the business people, basically not the complete business people, but the people who are in the minister level, those who are in the court of the, or those who have the lands given by the king or the queen. They also had a special privilege that they need not to pay much taxes or no taxes. So they were also privileged. The people who are actually sufferer and which you have seen over there, they were the third estate people. Third estate people. Now these third estate people includes businessmen, merchants, peasants, artists, and the servants and the small laborers. They were the one who were supposed to pay all kinds of taxes. Taxes not only to the royal treasury, but also to clergy. So whatever they earn, whatever money they get, they were supposed to give some portion of their income to clergy and the king's royal treasure. This was one of the reasons why the people went against the French royal people or monarchy system. The other reasons was, see, the taxes which they pay to the church is called tithes, and they were supposed to collect it, and they were not supposed to give any taxes. So this is how the things went on, continued, and then the people became suppressed, felt tortured by the monarchy system. Besides, when it was very, they were not concerned about the subject, and the condition came when they want to live into their comfort zone, they increase the prices of the food items like breads and all. That enraged the common people. And that is one reason what we have seen in the beginning, people marching towards the Bastille Fort to rebel against the monarchy. And this was one of the important incident of the French Revolution, and this revolution gave rise to and inspired many other countries, many other suppressed people of the nation of the world to fight against the monarchical system. Slowly, the people started learning, and then they supported them. The nobles came up, the businessmen came up, the trader came up, and they all started moving forward to go against the monarchy system. There are some more reasons that we will discuss in our next session. Hope you like. Please comment in case if you have any doubts. Thank you.